Repair all corrupted data with Stellar Phoenix Active Directory Repair. Stellar Phoenix Active Directory Repair is the best software which helps to easily repair all the Active Directory database which has been damaged or unable to perform properly. It helps to repair and recover the properties of the users, contact, groups, and computers. Special features of Stellar Phoenix Active Directory Repair software. This tool enables you to fix the damage NTDS.dit and solve the issue of add failure or damage which occurs due to memory failure, disk problems, etc. It helps to restore all Active Directory objects. This software helps to restore the properties of add object in your database. It provides the facility for resetting the password of all accounts, either a random sequence of password or default password of your choice. This software helps to restore contacts, computers, MSMQa, groups, organizational units, InetOrgPersons, and users. By using these tools you can easily restore the Active Directory database. Additional advantages of Active Directory repair tools. Stellar Phoenix provides the facility to the preview of all the Active Directory object and configures data after scanning. This software is users-friendly. It is easy to understand for the users who never perform any task. It works on 3 steps repair process. You can install the free versions of this tools to know how it's work. But, the free versions of this software has limitation. So, try the paid versions of Stellar Phoenix Active Directory Repair software to get more advanced features. Stellar Phoenix Active Directory Repair is awarded by the Softpedia and Connect for its better work. For more details, visit www.freesoftpex.com. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this videos.